Hello students, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's lesson. Today we dive deeper into the acid-base lesson and we'll talk about the ionic products of water. If you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and like my videos for more content. And don't forget to share to your colleagues, fellow students, so that they can also enjoy this free lesson and made easy topics. Now let's move on. We are talking about ionic product of water, which defines as the equilibrium constant for the self-ionization of what water. We understand that water dissociates itself into ions as H and then what OH, and that if equilibrium constant can be equated to the ionic product of water, then the ionic product of water can be equal to the concentration of the OH multiplied by the concentration of the H ions, and it happens at different temperatures. Now moving ahead, let's say we found out that the concentration of the OH and the H ion is 1 times 10 raised to the power negative 7. We put it into the equation, we can get the value of Kw to be equal to 1 times 10 raised to the power negative 40. And actually, that is a constant value for Kw. Therefore, the concentration of the H can be found and the concentration of OH can be found if any of the concentration are provided. In further lesson, we get to know that the pH, which we know as the negative logarithm of H ion, and then pOH as the negative logarithm of the OH ion, can replace the ionic product of water, which we got to know that the negative logarithm of Kw is equal to the negative logarithm of the OH ion plus the negative logarithm of the H ion. So together we can say that if pH is equal to negative logarithm, then pOH and pH can be simplified as pKw equals pH plus pOH, which is equal to 14 equals pH plus or pOH. And that can be used to solve our questions. And let's take this question for example, where you are given the OH ion in sodium hydroxide to be 2.9 times 10 to the power negative 4 molar. We are asked to find the pH. Now, because you have been given the concentration of OH, it can help you find the pOH. And at the end, when you find the pOH, you can put it into the equation as pH plus pOH equals 14 to find your pH. Now, if you find it simple and easy to solve, please make sure the example 2 is being solved and commented on the comment section. Please try your best to solve and comment it so that we can see the growth of this class. Now, thank you for watching this video, and please, as I said earlier, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to learn more easy lessons. Go ahead to send emails and share this video for people that have not received it yet. Thank you and see you later in our next class. Thank you. Bye bye.